In today's video we are going to discuss equations that involve fractions. So let us take a look at the equation. X by 3 plus 6 equals to 8. How do we solve such equations? Remember that fraction line is the same as division. X divided by 3 here, this is equal to division. Read the left hand side in words. I am thinking of a number x dividing by 3 and adding 6. Then to find x, go through the reverse, undoing everything on both sides using inverse operation. So here in the last you can see plus 6. So write minus 6 both sides, that is subtract 6 from both sides. You get x by 3 equals to 2. Plus 6 and minus 6 gets cancelled. And then we have to undo left hand side. So we have to multiply both sides by 3. So that 3 and 3 gets cancelled and we are left with x alone. So finally we get the answer x equal to 6. Now let us solve this equation. 2x plus 5 all over 3 equal to 17. Thinking of numerator as being in the brackets, it might be helpful to think. I am thinking of a number x multiplying by 2, adding 5 and dividing it all by 3. Then to find x, we just go through in reverse, undoing everything. So what shall we do next? For undoing left hand side, you have to multiply by 3 so that 3 and 3 gets cancelled, and since you have multiplied left hand side by 3, you have to multiply right hand side also by 3. So we are left with 2x plus 5 equals to 51. This 3 and 3 gets cancelled and you are left with just 2x plus 5 in the left hand side, and right hand side will be 17 times 3, that is 51. Next step is subtract 5 both sides. So plus 5 and minus 5 gets cancelled. You are left with 2x and 51 minus 5. So you are left with 2x is equal to 46, and then divide both sides by 2. So 2 and 2 gets cancelled. You are left with x equals to 23. Now this equation has x in the denominator. To solve it, try to get the x out of the denominator. So in order to do that, think of denominator as being in the bracket. To find x, isolate it by performing inverse operations. So x minus 1 is here. X minus 1, if you multiply both sides, so this will get cancelled, and in the left hand side you are left with 12, and right hand side 4 times x minus 1. Again divide by 4 both sides. This 4 and this 4 will get cancelled, and left hand side will be 3. 12 divided by 4 is 3. So 3 will be equal to x minus 1. Now add 1 both sides. So 3 plus 1, and right hand side minus 1 plus 1 gets cancelled. So you are left with finally x equals to 4. So x equal to 4 will be the answer. Now in this particular question, x is on both top and bottom. in the numerator as well as in the denominator. We need to undo the x minus 1 first. So multiply both sides by x minus 1. You get 5x plus 1 is equal to 8 times x minus 1. This x minus 1 and this x minus 1 will get cancelled. So 5x plus 1 is 8x minus 8. Expand the bracket and then so subtract 5x from both sides. We get 1 is equal to 3 minus 8. 5x and negative 5x gets cancelled here, and then in the next step you can add 8 both sides. So plus 8 and minus 8 will get cancelled and 3x will be equal to 9. Now in this case, in order to isolate x, you have to divide both sides by 3. So 9x divided by 3, 3x divided by 3, that gives you finally x equal to 3, and that is your answer.